Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this necktie brooch. To make my brooch I'll be using 6 satin pieces, one at 24 by 2.5 centimeters and 5 20 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters. First I will band edges on these satin ribbons. On last 2 ribbons, I will cut the edge on an angle there on 2 ribbons and I will band those edges so they don't fray. Next, I will prepare the ribbons. I'm folding this 24 centimeter long ribbon in half like that, creating a crease in the center there. Applying a hot glue in the center there and I'm gluing both edges to the center there, holding so it sticks well. So the first ribbon is prepared. Next I will do the same with a 20 centimeter long ribbon, applying hot glue in the center there and gluing both edges to the center. And this ribbon will go on top of the 24 centimeter ribbon, but in between I'll put other ribbons. I'm applying hot glue on this 20 centimeter ribbon and gluing those 2 edges together like that, and repeating same on other 20 centimeter ribbon. So 2 ribbons are prepared. Next I'm taking 24 centimeter ribbon and these 20 centimeter ribbons, and I'll glue those ribbons on top of the 24 centimeter ribbon there like that. So I have glued both those ribbons on. Next I will glue these 2 ribbons on each side, applying hot glue on the edge there and gluing 1 ribbon on one side and other ribbon on other side there. I'm pressing all ribbons together so they stick well. It looks like that. Next I will sew on this pin on top of this felt fabric piece. And my pin is finished. Looks like that. Next I will glue on last ribbon, so this is the right side and that's the wrong side. I'm applying hot glue in the center of the wrong side of this ribbon and I'm gluing that ribbon on top of the other ribbons. So 24 centimeter ribbon is at the bottom and the smaller ribbon is on top, and it looks like that. Next I'll reuse this embellishment. I'm applying hot glue at the back of this embellishment there and I'm gluing that embellishment in the center of the other ribbons. So it looks like that. Next I will glue this pin on. I'm applying hot glue at the back of this pin on the felt fabric piece there and I'm gluing that pin at the back of this brooch there. So it looks like that. And my brooch is finished. If you have any questions how I made this necktie brooch, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.